Hello and welcome to space for this week's HPL Discovery. This one's for the 1st through 4th graders, and the kit is make a comet model. And this model features a coma of dust and gas around the nucleus, which is that rocks and dust and gas which are solid in the center there. And as it floats around, you can see the path of the tails as they fly through the air. To help you move your comet through the air, we've created a slingshot mechanism with this one. It's a hook that you can build into your comet with a paperclip. So, join me in making your own comet model for today's HPL Discovery!
To make today's model comet, we'll just follow along in the instructions located in the packet. So, we'll need a rubber band, a paperclip, a craft stick, scissors are optional but helpful, and a few pieces of ribbon cut to about 2 feet in length each, as well as a foil sheet or two. So let's go ahead and start. Step 1 will be attaching the paperclip to your stick. We'll go ahead and attach the paperclip to the craft stick. And you want a hook that's going to hang out and point the same direction as the stick itself that we're going to later use to launch a rubber band. It's really helpful if you've got a little bit of tape or glue to hold this on at this point, or even a second craft stick. So let's go ahead and use a little bit of tape. Nothing like doing more than you need to here to attach that on. All right, that's not going anywhere. And you see how we have this little hook standing up and pointing back. That's what you'd like. The next step is to attach the ribbons. We want these to be long and flowing. These are going to make up the gas and dust trails of your comet. So let's go ahead and tie those on just below the hook of our paperclip. One. Two. 3. So the center of our comet, that's where we've got our paperclip meeting, our stick, and our ribbons. This is our nucleus. And in our model comet, the nucleus is where the rock, dust, and ice is all gathered into a big ball that's hurtling through space. So this is our big ball hurtling through space. And as the dust and gas come off of it, they're going to form a little bit of a halo, almost like a little atmosphere around the ball as it's hurtling there. And that is called the coma. We're going to use our foil pieces to make that coma. So go ahead and poke through your foil with the hook so that it extends out like that. Then what you're going to do after is wrap that foil into a ball around the nucleus of your comet. This forms the coma, and in space, that's the sort of ball of gas and dust as it comes off the comet, forms this little shield or bulb around it called the coma. So next, if you have another sheet of foil, you can add another one to make it bigger. I think this will do just fine. So go ahead and toss that around a little to see the pattern made by your gas and dust tails. So as a comet's hurtling through space, pieces of debris and ice and dust are breaking off and gas is being released. So these different tails, you'll see them go in different directions because they're made of different sized particles made of different things. So you'll have a dust tail and a gas tail that are go in slightly different directions. That makes that streak that we see from comets when they go through space. To make your comet fly through space, you can whirl it around in your hands, but you can also use your rubber band and the hook that you've made with your paper clip into a bit of a comet slingshot. And then once you have that ready, you can pull it back, add some tension, and shoot it into space. Let's try again. Space is a big target. I think we can do this. Let's go ahead and stretch it back. And you see I've got it in one thumb here. You can also do 2 fingers if you want. Try to launch that into space. It's gone.
Thanks for joining HPL Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this month's craft as much as I enjoy playing with this model comet. So go ahead, shoot it into space, and enjoy what we've made together.